So my banana split desk mat came in after a little while of waiting, and I like it so much I wanted to do a review of it for you guys. The packaging is very nice and simple, and came in see-through resealable drawstring bags. Despite quality control issues in the past, the Key.co's new fruit switch mats are nice, thick, and have tight stitching around their edges. They're 3mm thick with very heavy bottom grip surface. There are no wave issues in the top graphic fabric or any printing errors that I can see, and the image is bright and clear with the colors matching those advertised exactly. At the standard large desk mat size of 900 by 400, you definitely won't need anything larger than this to cover almost any desk. So if you were looking into getting one of the 3 mats still available from the fruit series, I would say go for it. The quality is really great, they're heavy mats, and there doesn't seem to be any waving or printing issues. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching this short review of the Key.co's new mats. Hope to see you in the next video, and have a great day.